Hello friends, so in this video we are going to solve this problem diagonal difference in Python programming. So we have given an array which is of 3 by 3 matrix. So what we have to do is we have to find the addition of this left diagonal, that is 1 plus 5 plus 9, and then find the addition of this right diagonal, that is 3 plus 5 plus 9, and we have to find the difference between these two additions. So here you will see the addition is 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15, that is left diagonal, and the addition 3 plus 5 plus 9 is 17, that is right diagonal, and the absolute difference between these two, that is 15 minus 17, is 2. So this difference we have to return in a function. So as you see, it is a 2D array, so we have to access the element by using two indexes, that is first one for row, second one for column. And here are the examples given. So the array will always be having same number of rows and columns in this example. So in most of the test cases, the array is of 3 by 3 matrix. So what we are going to do is we are going to take two variables, that is left and right, for left addition and right addition, and then we initialize it with 0, and then what we are going to do is we are going to run a for loop till the range of length of arr. So in this case, when the array is of 3 by 3 matrix, then it will return length as 3. So this for loop will run till 3 times. So in this for loop, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the addition of this left and right diagonal. So that will be left equal to, we have to access the elements, so we have to add it in the left for each iteration of the for loop. So what we are going to do is we are going to access the elements using this I variable, error of I, and then for the right, what we are going to do is we are going to use the negative indexing, that is from starting from this 3, 5 and 9. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to use this minus I minus 1. So this will be negative indexing minus 1 for the first iteration, and it will access this variable 3, and this column will be I, that is 0th column, first column and second column. So that will go like this. So for the second iteration, this will be minus 2, will be accessing this minus 5 as column will be 1, and for the third iteration it will be minus 3 and the column will be second, so it will be accessing minus 9. So in this right we will be getting the value, that is 3 plus 5 plus 9, 17, and in this left we will be getting value this 1 plus 5 plus 9. So what we have to do at the end is we just have to return the absolute difference between left and right. So what we are going to do is we are going to subtract it and we are going to call absolute function to that, and we are going to return it. That's it. We will just run the code, and the first test case is passed. We'll submit the code. So all the test cases are passing. So this is the code which you can use to solve this problem. Thank you.